Have you been looking for a property with endless possibilities? Well, I found it for you. Hi, my name's Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today I'm at our newest listing at 5075 Broken Trail. This property is flat enough to land an airplane. There's actually an airplane landing strip, but it has enough topography that you can actually shoot your gun. Not only that, you can bring your horses, your dogs, ride your ATV. The possibilities are endless. Let's go look around.
This property has over 38 acres, and there's an additional parcel that can be purchased to make this near 80 acres. This is one of the prettiest views of Casper Mountain. The home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, has high-end finishes, a full unfinished basement that you can put your mark on. You're going to love the 360-degree views around this property.
It might be country outside, but it is pure elegance inside. And you're gonna love the finishes throughout this home. It's also decorated so well. Bamboo hardwood floors throughout all the living spaces, carpet in the bedrooms. This is probably one of my favorite floor plans of all time because it has that open feel. There's definitely differentiation in space. So when you walk in the front door, you can see to the kitchen, but you can't see your dishes in the sink. I've got to show you the cool part of this primary suite. Not only is this primary suite large in size, but of course it has a primary bathroom with a tiled shower, tiled floor, a private water closet, double sinks. It's a great size. And then you're gonna walk into the primary closet. Great sized again, but then this is awesome that you can do your laundry right next to that primary closet and you don't have to haul it downstairs. I can just imagine drinking coffee in the morning or wine at night, hanging out here with friends, looking at the gorgeous Casper Mountain. But I gotta tell you a couple more things. So this home was recently painted on the exterior, so you won't have to do that for a while. And you are going to love this AstroTurf. It was professionally installed and it looks absolutely stunning. We'd love to show you this property. It's not gonna last long. It is the perfect mix of luxury and country. We would love to show you this home. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.